The Danakil Desert in Ethiopia, one of the hottest and most inhospitable places on Earth, with temperatures often exceeding 50 degrees Celsius. Known for its otherworldly landscapes, it features active volcanoes, acid lakes, and vast salt flats. Despite its extreme conditions, the region is home to the Afar people and is rich in minerals, particularly salt, which has been mined for centuries. The desert's unique and harsh environment attracts adventurous travelers, but it's a place where survival is difficult due to toxic gases and intense heat.